Markdown. Hey everyone, and welcome back to How to Use AI. Are you spending hours each week on repetitive tasks that frankly drain your time and energy? I'm talking about email overload, endless research, tedious writing. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you AI could handle those tasks in seconds, freeing you up for the things that actually matter? Today, we're diving into 10 AI tools that will save you a whopping 10 hours every single week. That's right, an entire workday reclaimed. Let's jump in. Let's kick things off with 1. Jasper.ai, the content creation powerhouse. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that can generate pretty much any type of content you need, from blog posts and marketing copy to social media updates and even entire books. Jasper can do it all. Use case. Imagine you need to write 5 different marketing emails for a new product launch. Instead of spending hours crafting each one from scratch, Jasper can generate them in minutes based on a few simple prompts. Time saved, easily 2 to 3 hours per week on content creation. 2. Otter.ai, your AI meeting assistant. Otter.ai is an incredible tool for transcribing meetings, lectures, and interviews. It automatically records audio and converts it into searchable text. Use case. You're in a meeting, and everyone's throwing out ideas. Instead of frantically taking notes, Otter transcribes everything in real time. After the meeting, you have a complete, searchable transcript ready to share with your team. Time saved, 1 to 2 hours per week on note-taking and summarizing meetings. 3. Calendly, the AI scheduling savior. Ditch the endless back-and-forth emails trying to schedule meetings. Calendly integrates with your calendar and allows people to book appointments with you based on your availability. Use case. Clients always want to schedule calls, but managing availability is a nightmare. Send them your Calendly link, and they can choose a time that works for both of you without any manual coordination. Time saved, 30 minutes to 1 hour per week on scheduling headaches. 4. Murph.ai, turn text into professional voiceovers. Murph.ai is a fantastic tool for creating realistic-sounding voiceovers from text. Perfect for explainer videos, presentations, podcasts, and more. Use case, you need a professional voiceover for a product demo video, but you don't have the budget for a voice actor. Use Murph to generate a high-quality voiceover in minutes, choosing from a wide range of voices and accents. Time saved, 1-2 hours per week on finding and working with voice actors. 5. Beautiful.ai, presentation design. Made easy, creating visually stunning presentations can be a time-consuming pain. Beautiful.ai uses AI to help you design professional-looking slides quickly and easily, with smart templates and design automation. Use case. You have to deliver a presentation, and you're short on time. Beautiful.ai's pre-designed templates and AI-powered design suggestions help you create a visually appealing and engaging presentation in a fraction of the time. Time saved, 2 to 3 hours per week on presentation design. 6. Tome, your AI storytelling partner. Tome utilizes AI to generate complete narratives and presentations from a single prompt. Simply input your topic, and Tome will create a coherent story with visuals. Use case. You need to pitch a new project, but are struggling to structure your ideas. Give Tome a brief description, and it will generate a full presentation outline with visuals, saving you hours of brainstorming and design. Time saved, 4-6 hours per project on outlining and initial design. 7. GitHub Copilot, your AI programming partner. For all the developers out there, GitHub Copilot is a game changer. It's an AI pair programmer that suggests code completions and even entire functions based on your comments and context. Use case. You're writing a complex function, and you're stuck on a particular section. Copilot can suggest the next line of code, saving you time and frustration. Time saved, 2 to 4 hours per week on coding. 8. Taskade, the AI-powered project manager. Taskade is more than just a project management tool. It's a collaborative workspace enhanced with AI. It can automate tasks, generate outlines, and even summarize meeting notes. Use case, you're managing a complex project with multiple team members. Tascade can automatically assign tasks, track progress, and provide AI-generated summaries of meeting discussions, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Time saved, 1-2 hours per week on project management and communication. 9. Consensus, AI-powered research assistant. Sifting through countless research papers can be incredibly time-consuming. Consensus uses AI to quickly extract key findings and insights from scientific literature. Use case. You're writing a research paper and need to find evidence to support your arguments. Consensus can quickly identify relevant studies and summarize their key findings, saving you hours of reading. Time saved, 3 to 5 hours per week on research. 10. Descript, AI-powered audio and video editing. Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editor that uses AI to transcribe your content and allows you to edit it like a text document. Use case. You're editing a podcast episode and you need to remove a few awkward pauses. Descript lets you simply delete the corresponding text in the transcript, and the audio is automatically edited accordingly. Time saved, 2-3 hours per week on audio and video editing. By the way, if you want to make sure you have the best hardware to run these AI tools smoothly, head over to our channel, RichTech, for all the latest computer and tech reviews. And if you want even deeper dives into AI-powered design tools, check out Rich Design. Links in the description below. So there you have it, 10 AI tools that can potentially save you 10 hours or more every week. That's a significant boost to your productivity and a huge win for your free time. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future AI tutorials. All the links to these tools are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.